If you want to separate audio and video in Adobe Premiere Pro, it's quick and simple. First, select the clip in your timeline that has both video and audio. Right-click on the clip and choose Unlink. That's it. Your video and audio are now separated so you can move or delete one without affecting the other. If you want to link them back together, select both the video and the audio clips, right-click, and choose Link. They're now connected again. From now on, whenever you cut the video, the audio will cut with it. That's how to unlink and relink audio and video in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.